Let's go ahead and tackle this question now. It says, which of the following changes would not affect the rate of the combustion of coal? Carbon. So this is definitely a not question. And we reviewed with videos in the lecture outlines a number of methods of things that do change reaction rates. So factors that do affect reaction rate. One of them is going to be changing concentration. Another one is going to be temperature, and I'll just put capital T there for temperature. Another one is going to be changing surface area. Well, I guess all of these are changing, so I guess I should say changing temperature as well. Changing surface area. And addition of a catalyst. I think those are the 4 that we covered in the lecture outlines. Well, if I think of any more, I'll let you know. Now, as we read through these, we see that performing the reaction at a different temperature would definitely affect the reaction rate, so that's not the answer. Using powdered coal instead of large chunks, well, this is going to change the surface area, so this is going to be change T. It's going to change surface area. Using 10 grams of coal instead of 100. I don't know about that one. Using carbon in the form of graphite instead of coal. Well, I will tell you this one's a little tricky because using graphite instead of coal would change the surface area. And it would change, yeah, I mean, I would say coal is not 100% carbon, and so this is probably a little unclear, but there is definitely a change here in the form of carbon and likely the surface area. And it turns out that using 10 grams of coal instead of 100, it doesn't change the concentration because coal is a solid. So this is coal is a solid. So no change in concentration. No change in surface area if it's the same material. No change in temperature. No change in by adding a catalyst. It turns out that the one that would not affect the rate of combustion of coal or carbon would be C. And you'll see as you go through the pool for this one that you're looking for how these 4 things relate to the factors that do affect the reaction rate to find the one that does not.